Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And some of you probably already know that on April 8th we are having solar eclipse, and in order to photograph that we cannot use regular ND filters. So I do have my 200 to 600 millimeters from Sony, and I was gonna buy a solar eclipse filter, but I don't want to spend that much money on just one filter alone, which I'll be using only for the solar eclipse. I found this solar eclipse film that I'll show you in just a second here. This is the solar eclipse film that I'll be making a DIY. Sorry, I have to be very focused on what I'm doing here. So the filter, once it's done, it's gonna be something like so, and I'm going to be placing the filter. I already made this hood. It's like a sleeve, so I can hold the filter right on my 200 millimeters. And let me show you how it's going to go. This cutout cardboard is actually from the box of the Sony FX3, and this is the right thickness of cardboard for the filter. And I'm going to place this like so, and then the film in between, and finally I will do this this is how it's gonna go. The film will go in between the two parts, will sandwich like so, and then finally that's how I'm going to be placing the solar filter. What I'm gonna do now is sandwich the filter film in between here, as you can see, and it's going to be placed right on this hole here, and I'm going to it'll go in like so, and the film will go in between like this, and that will be the final filter. I do have the film here, let me get it, but I'm not gonna glue it at this moment because I'm going to need very focused. It's one of those projects where you need to be very focused, and I'll show you guys when it's put together. In order to hold the solar film properly, I have to securely place the film, because God forbid I don't want to have any accidents while I'm photographing. Although I like to do some test shots before April 8th. Hopefully that day is sunny, since today is Thursday and today is Wednesday. I meant to say, and it's been raining for 3 days in a row. So I'm hoping that on Monday the 8th we have some sunshine. So I'm going to press this down like so. As you can see here, it's nicely centered. I'm gonna let it dry for about probably 1 hour or 2, and I'm going to use my camera to press that down, and within 2 hours that will be nice and dry. Oh, fuck. All right, finally we have sunshine, and since tomorrow is going to be the main event for the solar eclipse, I'm going to take a few shots with my DIY filter. So for this test, I'm going to use the Sony 200 to 600 millimeters 5.6. This is my carrying case for my DIY filter. I'm going to take this out very gently. So I'm going to show you guys what the filter looks like. As you can see here, I made this a sleeve so I can slide the filter right on there. Oh yeah, I think I'll be able to get a nice shot of the sun. I'm going to find the sun now. Up. That's it. Now we got it. Whoa.